So in this video, I select consoles, SSH, and telnet that I will discuss in this part of this video. So first, we will identify what is console. So console, this is a physical management port that provides out of bounds access to the Cisco device. Out of band access refers to achieve via dedicated management channels is used for device maintenance purposes only. So console is basically, for examples, you are in the equipment room with a new switch that needs to be configured. It will be you need to configure. You will use a console to configure what what you need. So the next is secure shell SSH. SSH is a method for remote establishing a secure CLI connection through a virtual interface over the network. Unlike console connection, SSH connections requires active network service on the device, including an activate interface configured with an address. So secure shell SSH, you give you example. So example is you access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network connections. So OSIs, by using another intermediary, you will use a secure shell SSH where you do not need to uh, use consoles, because console is uh, for configure, and SSH will be configured with an address. So we proceed to the next one. So telnet. Telnet is a insecure method of remotely establishing CLI sessions through virtual interface over a network. Unlike SSH, telnet does not provide secure encrypt connections, user authentication, passwords, and commands set over the network and the plain text. You can see the differences. They have, unlike of different type of establishments, like telnet have SSH have configured with an address, and telnet have a secure encryption connections, authentication, passwords, and commands. So consoles advantage of using console ports that the device is accessible even if no network services have been configured, such as when performing an initial configurations in the network device. When performing initial configuration, computer running terminals emulation software is connected to a console port for the device using a special cables. Configuration commands for settings up switch or router can be entered on the connected computer. So SSH is recommended methods for remote management because it provides secure connections. SSH provides encrypted password authentication, like what I said, I read in this one. It gives the user ID, passwords, and the details. And the telnet's remote management CLI connection. Cisco iOS includes telnet server, telnet clients that use establishes telnet sessions within devices. So this all in this I this all in these tutorials. So that's all. Thank you.